Good evening, my name is William Osman, no relation to Osama bin Laden, and this is my farm. My dream here one day is to grow 1 pentillion sunflowers for my beautiful wife. Oh, and to make money so I can retire, to finish paying off my house. Do you have any dreams, John? Well, no, I'm not gonna share that one. That one's fucking disgusting. Somehow legal though. Let's go see what Kevin's dream is. There's so many sounds coming from up here all the time. Like, what is this meth lab looking shit?
Don't worry.
It's so loud in here. What's your dream?
My dream is to have a working liquid nitrogen machine.
What's this one?
So what does it look like? When I have to take out an oscilloscope, do you think it's working?
You're reading the serial data out of it?
No, the serial data going into it.
You're feeding serial data into it.
And there's nothing coming out.
Really?
You act like you're surprised.
This looks like you're doing something nefarious. That's all I'm gonna say. And there's like a disassembled gun on the ground. Does this have anything to do with the meth lab you're cooking over here? Is that the biggest dream you have, is to have a working liquid nitrogen machine? Or is it before Nile Red posts his liquid nitrogen machine video? Oh, it's a BB gun.
Something is squeaking.
Something's squeaking?
I think something has been born underneath the shipping container.
Do you have any dreams? Tell me about your dreams.
Can you rephrase the question?
Do you have any dreams? Tell me about your dreams.
Like, do I have dreams at
Yeah,
night?
you have a big dream in your life?
Oh, do I have a dream in general? Yeah.
What do you hear?
Why do you need to know?
What's your dream, Potato? Tell me about your dreams.
No means no.
What's your dream?
I had a dream once that Hitler made me shave the grass with a razor, and then I got in trouble, and my mom came and picked me up.
What the fuck, Sandra? What are we doing? Oh, we were gonna ask Kevin to plant the sunflower seeds. Where do these? I need more drugs. I spent the last 4 weeks of my life making the OpenSauce 2025 badge better, because the first firmware, it was kind of last minute and it didn't work great. We're gonna test it on Kevin. We're gonna see if I made the interface better. Why is it so loud in here?
You're showing me something that lights up, right? Not something that makes noise.
No, there's no noise.
Okay.
Okay, do you remember OpenSauce 2025, Kevin?
I'm trying to go to therapy to forget, but yeah.
The badge has circuit. Did you ever build your circuit?
No, they ran out of parts.
We ran out of parts.
Yep.
So when you shake the badge, it lights up and it says the word sauce by default, but then there's a photodiode on it that you can program custom messages on your screen. And so the photodiode didn't work great. It's like actually kind of a complicated problem to solve. And in general, the badge, the firmware, the explanation was a mess. And so I spent 4 weeks fixing it.
Okay.
This is the first time Kevin has seen it.
Okay. I'm gonna push the button,
Okay.
and then I shake it.
Do you see anything happening? It's a little hard to
Yeah,
see.
it says open sauce.
No, it doesn't. It just says sauce. You're
just
lying.
says sauce.
Now go to opensauce.com/badge25. This is the part where we'll see if I did a good job. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna watch you figure it out.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm making something.
Okay.
There's not a lot of pixels to work with here.
No, it's actually really hard to make legible things. I mean, text is easy, but
Next, I want more space.
okay.
Can I get?
I just figured it out. I'm gonna watch you.
Okay,
This is
okay.
important information.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I feel like it could be better. We should
I feel like
clear
it should just be next, and you should have like one previous bar from the last one, so you know where you left off. Sorry.
I think it's great. Great.
We're planting the sunflower seeds today, and I'm gonna plant mine better than Kevin. I think Kevin sucks at farming. I forgot. We're gonna plant the sunflowers today.
We gotta plant them.
We have to. Today's the last day of sunflower season before that's no longer sunflower season. I just made that up. I think last time you planted plants, it's so fucking loud in here.
Remember what happened last time we planted plants?
Yeah, you think you're so fucking good at planting plants and your plants died? Oh no, then you cheated
And they still died.
and they still died. Okay, no, I don't, we should probably Google how this works. I don't really know, how much space do we need? So I haven't actually done any more compost. Do you think this is gonna cover the whole field?
Well, it says
or?
right here, it says
Oh, it does?
plant seed spacing, plant every
12
12
inches.
inches, and then the rows.
Half an inch.
It doesn't tell you that.
What?
Oh yeah.
You want baby Michael?
This says 1 plant per square foot.
Square foot. And what do you think this is? This is like, oh shit. Wait, is this actually like a lot of sunflowers? So then how many square feet is this? What do you think? I don't think this is accurate.
I'm guessing.
900 square feet?
Yeah. 39.
This feels bigger than 900 square feet. So maybe it's 1,000. Okay, so if this is 1,000 square feet, that's 1,000 plants?
Yeah. And that's about 1,000 plants.
And this is like 1,000 plants? Cool, so we just fill this whole thing up with sunflowers.
Are you gonna?
Yeah, I'm gonna till it with compost because it's gonna take a long time to do everything. So what if we just do one spot at a time when we need to put compost on it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go do that. $1. All right, there's a sunflower farm near me, and I'm investigating to see how they do it. Looks kind of mangy. Does that look mangy? Does that look like a mangy sunflower?
At least they can grow sunflowers.
Okay.
What have you done?
So no.
What have you done?
No, you're not
have
allowed
you
to do
done?
that. We talked about this. We talked it. That's, you know how that makes me feel. All right, this sunflower's got ladybugs having sex on it, and it's mangy. This is like some trailer trash ladybug sex sunflower. I'm honestly like pretty impressed. You can see the sunflowers just like they go on forever. There's like gotta be
Can you say
like 10
yoga?
acres of sunflowers. Huh?
Will you take a picture?
I'm busy.
Will you take a picture?
Also, I'm still
Will you take a
mad. I'm
picture?
still mad.
William?
What?
William? This is your mother.
What?
Can you just take the picture?
From a distance, the sunflowers look nice. But when you get close to the sunflowers, they look disgusting. Most of these sunflowers are mangy, and there's no way I can't grow better sunflowers. Just like less mange. Disgusting. This is disgusting. It's a spider?
No, it's a creeper.
Oh, creeper. Is that what they look like?
And then I think I hold this up here. No, I was too slow. Okay, no. I think I have to probably hold it.
Is it doing anything? Not turning it on hard enough? Is the brightness all the way up on your screen?
Yeah.
Or close the garage door. It doesn't work outside, even in the shade. The IR is too strong.
So I'm guessing
Yeah.
it feels like I press the red button
Yeah.
and I click program.
There you go.
Oh.
Dude, the sun is so bright.
Oh, let's see.
Wait. Turn the lights down. Yeah.
Yeah, see creeper right there. And then explosion next to it.
Yeah, I saw it.
You've already done a
How confused?
A rocket.
Was that confusing?
No, that was easy.
It was easy?
It was easy.
Okay. Did you?
Yeah.
Because the only thing I saw you get stuck on, well, was the sunlight messing up the programming, and then the next. But the thing is, see, like the problem is you can't write instructions because assholes like this won't read them. You know what I wanted to do? I wanted to make an animation mode where you could like set it to be an animation, and then the frames, instead of stacking, are like on top of each other. So like when you shake it, it goes like dong dong dong. Like every shake goes to a different grid.
Oh,
If you could, like, animate the pixel
That's
grid.
kind of what I thought was going to happen at first. It's cool though. Hold on, turn off the lights. I want to show them something.
The hell does it say?
It's your phone number.
Hey, fuck you! Yeah! I'm just gonna take that battery out.
That's sick.
There's like I have 1,000. We made 1,000 more kits. So if you want to buy a badge from OpenSauce with the parts, or you weren't able to get your parts at OpenSauce, there's 1,000 kits. And if you have a Sauce Plus subscription, you get 50% off a kit. So it's like, then it ends up being like $12.
Do you see what these ants have right here? Do you see what they're fighting against right there? You see what that? That's a sunflower seed. These ants are trying to steal sunflower seeds. Where did it get that seed? Did it steal it from way over there? Or do they have a secret supply somewhere? But this is bringing back flashbacks of all the birds and the squirrels and the rabbits and the dogs that were eating all of our seeds before. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same thing. But at least I'm not gonna have to work as hard this time. So I was working on my liquid nitrogen generator, but this is more important to prove to Will once again that I am the better farmer. So I don't know what he's gonna do, just plant seeds by hand. Who does that? Nobody does that. We're not hunter-gatherers, so I got a machine to do it. Do you think I need any tools? I hope not. So what did Will say his dream was? To plant 1 million sunflowers for his wife? Really? That's funny, because he can't plant anything, so I think I'm gonna be planting 1,000,000 sunflowers for his wife. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't exactly know how this works. Will just told me that we were gonna have to plant a lot of seeds, so I just saw this and I grabbed it. I think it just plants like a row of seeds, like it drops one down at a time and like pushes it down. Look, it even spreads the dirt, and then the seed drops down and it like just plows the dirt in behind it. All right, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, it comes assembled mostly. Working on my liquid nitrogen generator, but Will says, Farmer Will, boss says you gotta plant seeds. Last day of the season, boss says. Boss should have thought of that about 2 weeks ago. John, you're making me nervous. Stop! I should have said, when he came in the garage, I should have said, my dream is to plant 1,000,000 sunflowers for your wife. Not because, you know, I like her, but because I'm just a better farmer. I want to prove I'm a better farmer. I mean, I don't not like her. You know what I'm saying? It's like, but, oh God. Okay, I think it's done. Actually, it came with these, and I think this, you put these on here, inside or outside. So these different plates determine like the size of the seed that you're planting, I think. So I think this is like a good sunflower seed size. Hey, look at that. It says right here, plate number 3, sunflower, cucumber, and corn. So what happens is when you walk forwards with it, this wheel spins and it spins the plate. So that scoops up a seed, drops it into this little chute right here. It falls down and it comes out of this hole right here. So as you're pushing it, it's like spreading the dirt apart. It drops a seed in, and then this part behind it is like a flap that scoops the dirt back over it like that. And it also comes with this, one more thing. So you use this to set the spacing. Like, oh, this is cheating. This is so good. So you put this right here, and now you have like a perfect row spacing. Check it out.
Why does it feel like shit?
I don't know. I came pre-assembled. I didn't even have to do any work.
So this is like the balls?
Yeah, that's
that?
the shaft.
That's the shaft?
And then that's the glands. Yeah, that's the urethra.
Does it plant in the right distance?
I don't know.
How do you change the distance?
I don't know, but you can set the distance between rows with this.
What? I'm supposed to make rows? Kevin might be cheating again, but I also have a feeling this might not work at all.
Hey, somebody's got to plant your wife's sunflowers. Somebody's got to grow her the sunflowers, and it's gonna be
That's
me.
too fucking far. Fuck you. I don't really know how any of this works, but I think I have mixed in enough compost. What's this piece of shit? There's no way this is gonna work. Where is Kevin? I could start planting my seeds right now. Yeah, you're just picking the most crooked part of the field to make fun of me. There's some straight areas over there. Hey, like a big piece of concrete. Are we splitting this 50-50, or are we gonna be like clearly the Mongolian giant and the Titan are like these
more
are
valuable to
Right.
Chelsea?
So, well, I mean, is this about Chelsea or is this about us? I forgot. What did I say at the beginning of the video? I can't remember. Do you want the Titan or the Mongolian?
Ooh, Titan.
You want the Titans? Okay, you can. I get the Mongolian. Yeah, those are 25.
okay.
So then that one we have that's a duplicate. That's the Akira. All right, here's the shitty ones. You want the ice cream or the teddy bear?
The fuzzy one.
You want the fuzzy one? Okay.
You like ice
And then, do you want the bullshit sunflower, the chocolate cherry, or the autumn beauty?
Oh, you choose this one.
What do you want, John? Fine, you can have those. These seeds were sent to us by you guys. Someone sent other seeds a while ago, and I lost them. What are you fixing, anyways?
It's kind
your
of wobbly
Yeah, your shit's fucked?
because you got too many rocks in the ground.
Too many rocks in the ground. That sounds like your problem. Half inch, schmaff inch. I feel like measurements and dirt in the sub inch are like silly. We haven't been able to farm much because we're planning 2 more sauce-a-thons this year. So in October, like the end of October and November, we're doing a sauce-a-thon on the East Coast in October and on the West Coast in November. What is half an inch? Like, does that actually make any sense? If you don't know what a sauce-a-thon is, basically, we like building stupid stuff, and we thought it'd be fun to do like a group build where a bunch of people build something. Here's a recap of the last sauce-a-thon. There was explosions earlier behind me, and it turns out that was Michael Reeves and the Backyard Scientists blowing up capacitors.
Well, we're like the gun team, you know? Our team is the gun team, and so I guess me and Kevin for the gun team, since we're the only guys.
Michael's probably gonna blow something up. I think he's already done it like 3 times, but.
I went over to Michael Reeves's table and I think I saw schematics for Just a gun.
They're gonna go around the course, we're gonna go through the course.
So if that's interesting to you, you can apply to come. It's only like 50 people that we let in because it's small. If you have too many people, it's not fun anymore.
No, I don't think I can go any further. You know, I can just hit John.
You can't reach my side?
I can't quite reach her.
That's weird. You know, I think I forgot to finish tilling your side of the field. I think I'm gonna hop back in the tractor and keep disking your side of the field, yeah? Oh, you want to water yours too? Yeah, okay. How much water? Too much water, you think? Should I like soak yours so that they drown? These seeds should germinate in 7 to 14 days. So in 7 to 14 days, we will see who planted their seeds the best. It's probably John, god damn it. Days to maturity, 75 to 80. Mature plant height up to 14 feet tall. Could you imagine growing 14 feet in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 3 months, 3 months? I think that my seeds are gonna be the best. I loved every seed. I planted them in the ground by hand, blood, sweat, tears. Kevin used a machine, John used a machine. You should be ashamed of yourself. It's not organic if you use a machine. All right, it's been about a week and I don't know if I see sprouts or not. I got my shit together this time and I went and bought a sprinkler and a really long hose, and we've been watering the sunflowers for like 40 minutes every day, just like soaking the field. And I can't tell if there's anything. Like we set the trail cam up. Oh shit, what's this? What is this? John, what is wait, is that a sunflower? Because I sure as hell know that looks like a hole. Is that yours? Are these all yours? Image shows a seedling, Coringa orientals, also known as the mustard plant. Fuck! What the hell does a sunflower sprout look like? Sunflower sprout. No, it kind of does look the same. So maybe this is, so you planted your plants in a straight line, right, John? And you planted them like at some equidistant, but look at this, see? That's definitely not sunflowers. Did you plant them like this? Like right next to each other? Oh, you did. Holy shit, John, I think these are sunflowers. Because they're like 1.5 feet apart, which is how I planted them. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. What is this? What digs a hole like this? No, that is not good. Okay, let's see how Kevin's side is doing. Oh, look at this. There's a big one here, John. Oh yes, this is huge. Oh, Kevin's got a lot. Look at, there's some there, there's some here. Yeah, look. John's sunflowers are growing, my sunflowers are growing, and it seems Kevin's sunflowers are growing as well. Though I don't see as many of mine as I do of Kevin's, and that worries me. So we set the trail cam up. Maybe we can find footage of the culprit that's either killing my sunflowers, or maybe there's nobody killing my sunflowers and I just did a shitty job planting them. Kevin, you're not gonna believe this. Are you teaching my child to play video games?
Yes.
I have good news and I have bad news, Kevin. Something's definitely eating our sunflowers and has already set up shop in the middle of the sunflower field.
No way. What, like a rabbit?
I don't know. No, I think it might be squirrels.
Squirrels again.
Do you want the good news?
Yes.
There are sunflower sprouts.
Whoa.
So this is huge, but there I think are less than there should be. Is this the Minecraft game everyone's been talking about?
No, this is Roblox.
Oh no. No. Oh no, Kevin.
Oh, they're the ground squirrels too. They dig.
Oh my god. Oh no, it's just digging. Oh, that's like right where we planted. It's digging for the sprouts. It's digging for the seeds. Oh.
You see that?
Yeah. Is that your dog?
Nope.
Is it a coyote?
Yeah, look at those
Oh,
ears.
yeah, like 4 a.m.
Yeah, my dog's ears are floppy. What are we gonna do? I mean...
Well, how much oxygen do we have left? And how much propane do we have left?
Oh, enough.
Don't worry, Will. There's nothing broken. Yeah.
Next week we're gonna refill the oxygen tank and have a proper stoichiometric ratio.
I want this bottle to go in one hole, and then we ignite it, and the squirrel
Come out the other hole.
comes out the other holes.
Yes. Well, half of a squirrel comes out a hole, and another half comes out another hole.
next week.
Squirrel blood on next week's Farmers with Brain Damage.